All right, this is going to be a little video about the magic light trick in case you've never seen it before. It's so easy. When I installed this sconce, I did not hardwire it into the wall electricity. I just mounted it. And I chose this sconce because it had this shade, knowing that I would probably end up doing this magic light trick and the shade would hide the light itself. So what you do is you attach inside the shade one of these push lights. You can glue it, you can stitch it, wire it, like with a little piece of wire to this wire. There's another one on the top. This particular little light came with like a little sticky back, so I just used that. It's probably not going to last forever, so I should probably reinforce it with some glue or, you know, wrap some wire around there. But that's it. So to turn this light on, I just pull the shade off like I just did, tap the light, and put it back on. And now I have a lighted sconce without having to hardwire.